Aloha, Ramon.
Hi, Mon.
Hi,
Gandhi.
Gandhi. We just came back from Honolulu and the Big Island in Hawaii, and here we are saying
Happy birthday sa iyo, 65 years.
60.
Maraming years yun, Mon. But of course, maraming ding achievements. Hindi ko ma-count sa fingers ko. But the biggest achievement mo, having all those beautiful children. And of course, shinare mo pa ang your best precious gem, si Ganda, the daughter that we never had. And thank you for sharing her with us.
And you're catching up with me.
65 na rin.
Wala na talaga, Medicare age na. Pero, alam mo, our fun memories, you remember when we were still in Makati Medical Center? Ano mo noon, hindi ako marunong manligaw eh. Ito, si Sylvia.
Thank you so much, Mon. Kayo ni Danny Francisco. Kung hindi sa inyo, siguro hindi ko papansinin ito. But remember yung nagnakaw kayo ng mga flowers sa bedside ng patient at sinabi nyo, oh, bigay ni Andy ito, Sylvia. Believe naman ako kay Primo, nagbigay ng flowers.
But pala galing yata sa mga patay.
But Mon, happy birthday. 65 is beautiful year. Tingnan mo si Primo, bumabata.
Oh, syempre, may nagpapabata eh. Meron din sa'yo. Okay, so welcome to age 65.
65. And so much to look forward to. Apo. So, you know kung sino yung ipipressure mo ngayon sa apo. Ha? Okay, Mon.
Okay.
Love you, Mon, and happy birthday.
Mahalo. Ano sabi ng mahalo?
Welcome.
Maghalo-halo na tayo.
Sila.
Okay.